Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a lot of waters on Farmland Temu. So this is a simple process which you can follow and make a lot of waters farmland. So to do this, this is the first step, tasks and goals. So just make sure to complete the enough task and goal and offer different rewards upon completion. So you can just do the tasks and earn more. And the second way is daily bonus. Like you can open the app regularly and claim the daily login rewards, which can sometimes give you extra water for your farm. And the third step is watch videos. We know watching short advertisement videos is super annoying, but if you genuinely want to get more water from your farm, then you can just watch the videos and earn some extra rewards. And you might get some extra water while watching the video. And after that, manage usage. This is basically a kind of tip. So if you manage proper usage, so just make sure to use properly and save them. And this next is grow effectively. Since the game allows you to decide what kind of crops you want to plant, so you can prioritize choosing the plants that can harvest sooner and require less water. So that is another tip. And third tip is upgrade well. So you should consider investing in upgrading the water well so that you can have more water storage and can store save some extra water. So these are basically some tips and some other methods of how you can earn more water in Farmland Temu and enjoy the game.